Hello, welcome to Mina's kitchen. Good afternoon. Today we're going to prepare the fisherman soup, and this comes from the cross river side of Nigeria. We have a boiled fish. We have a cow skin, cleaned cow skin. We have sliced a bonnet pepper. We have the okra, chopped onion, and then we have palm oil and a seasoning, crayfish, we have pepper, the dry pepper, salt, and Maggi. So we're going to start off straight ahead. Okay, this is the fisherman soup. Everything is inside now except for the okra and the dry gari. So we're going to cover this, up. We have the steamed fish. I'm using Titus. We have the chopped onion. We have chopped bonnet pepper. We have the chopped cow skin. We have crayfish and our seasoning in here. Firstly I put the oil, and then when it fries a bit, I put the onion, and then I put in the chopped bonnet pepper, and then I put in the seasoning and add some water, and then add the fish. So this will cook for about 5 minutes, thereabout, or 3 to 5 minutes, and then we'll add the dry gari to thicken it, and lastly the okra, and the soup is good to go. It doesn't take time. This is from the cross-river side of Nigeria. My name is Mina Bassi. See you later when this is ready. So now we have added the gari, and we have added, the okra, and this will just cook for, say, about 2 minutes, and it's okay. So this is all about the fisherman's soup. If you like my video, you can subscribe to it, and try it on your own. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.